Hi folks, today we'll see a lead code problem on pre-ordered traversal of a binary tree. Given a binary tree, return the pre-ordered traversal of its nodes values. That is, given a binary tree 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, pre-ordered traversal is nothing but root and then the left subtree and then the right subtree. That is 1, 2, 4, then 5, then 3. 1, 2, 4, 5 and 3. This is the pre-order result of a given binary tree. While implementing it recursively, it internally uses a stack, but they have asked us to implement it iteratively. So we'll declare a stack here and then a result to store the result of the pre-order traversal. Basically, we'll return this result. After storing the values of pre-order traversal in this result, we'll return this result vector. Okay, fine. So what we'll do, basically we'll have a loop which will run till root is not equal to null or stack is not empty. That is nodes is not empty. Okay. So we'll have if the current node is not null, what we'll do, if root is not equal to null, we'll push the value into the result vector, that is result dot push back of root val, and then root is root of left. Correct? Okay. Root is going to root of left. Okay, and before that I'll also push nodes dot push of root. Okay, fine. And after that, if okay, so 1 it will goes into the stack, it goes in the result as well as stack 2, 4. Okay, then after that it comes to null. So what I'll do at that point, root is nothing but nodes dot top and then nodes dot pop. Yeah, nodes dot pop. After that, root goes to the root of right. Okay, so this is nothing but the pre-order traversal. Okay, fine. So we'll return the result. Okay, come on, let's trace the code to check for the correctness of this code. Initially, the result vector will be empty. I'll remove this, and the stack will also be empty. Nodes will also be empty. Okay, fine. So the stack of nodes will be empty and the result will also be empty. Okay, so initially the root is pointing to the address of 1. So if root is not equal to null, so it will go into this. So root is not equal to null, this will go into this if block. So what I am doing, I will push 1 into the result vector. Okay, and after that I am pushing address of 1. So address of 1 into the stack, and after that root goes to the left. So let me have root variable here. Root will be going to address of 2 because root is root of left. Then after that it will go here. Root is not null. Again the same procedure will be followed. 2 will be pushed onto the result vector and address of 2 will be pushed onto the stack, and then root is equal to root of left. So root will go to 4. After that 4 also it will come into this if condition. 4 will be pushed onto this result vector and stack will also have address of 4. Now root will have null because root is root of left, 4 is left is null, and then it will come into this if condition. Root is not equal to null, this is false, therefore it will go inside this else block. So now root is nothing but nodes of top. So root is nothing but now address of 4, and I will remove this 4 from the stack. I am popping, and after that root is equal to root of right. So again 4's right is also null, so now the root will be null. Again I will check for this condition. Root is not equal to null, which is false, but stack is not empty, so I will come inside this loop, and root is not equal to null, which is false. I will go inside this else block, and then roots is nothing but nodes of top, which means that this subtree left subtree of 2 is completed. So what I will do, root is nothing but nodes dot top. So nodes dot top is nothing but this address of 2, address of 2. Basically the rightmost element of this node is nothing but the top of the stack. Okay, so root is address of 2, and I'll remove this 2 from the stack, and then root is nothing but root of right, so root will go to the address of 5. Again I'll come inside this while loop. I'll check for root is not equal to null. Yeah, address of 5 is not equal to null, and again it will come inside this if condition, root is not equal to null. It will go inside this if block. So result or pushback of root of val. So 5 will be pushed onto the result vector. Okay, then after that I'll push address of 5 into the stack. So now the top of the stack will have address of 5, then root goes to the root of left, so root will have null. I'll come inside this while loop. Root is null, so I'll go inside this else block. So root's nothing but nodes of top, so root will now have address of 5, and I'll pop address of 5, and root of right is again null. 5's right is null, right? So 5's right is null, so this will be null. Root is null and stack is not empty, so I'll come inside this if and check for this root not equal to null, which is false. I'll go inside this else block. So root is nothing but nodes dot top, so root will now have address of 1, because stack top is 1, so I'll pop the stack, which means that I have completed the root and its left subtree. So which means that now after that I'll go to root is equal to root of right, so root will now have address of 3. Now the stack is empty but root is not empty, so I'll check for this condition, root is not equal to null. I will go inside this if block, so I'll push 3 into this result vector, and then nodes dot push of root, so nodes will have address of 3, roots nothing but root of left, so root will have null value. Check for this if condition, so root is null. I'll go inside this else, so roots is nothing but nodes dot top, therefore root will have now address of 3, and then I'll nodes dot pop, so stack will remove this address of 3, and root is going to root of right, so root will 3's right is also null, so root will now become null. So now both root is null and nodes stack is empty, which means that we have completed the pre-order traversal. We can return the result, correct? Therefore I'll remove all this, and I'll check for whether this code is working or not. Perfect. Now let me submit this code. Yeah, that's it folks. If you like this video, please subscribe to Algo Unchained channel. If you have any feedbacks, please leave it on the comment section so that we can improve on our next videos. Thanks folks.